From the digital runway to social media, meet Tana, the American influencer and model who has conquered the virtual world with her unique style and overwhelming charisma. At 30 years old and born on November 17, 1994 in Washington, D.C., Tana started her social media career in July 2023, sharing fashion and lifestyle photos on her Instagram account at its baby Tana. In less than a year, her authenticity and style catapulted her to over 1.6 million followers on Instagram and more than 550,000 on TikTok, making her one of the most prominent emerging figures in the digital world. In addition to her social media presence, Tana offers exclusive content on OnlyFans, where she shares more personal moments with her closest followers. Passionate about travel, Tana has shared her adventures in places like Montreal, showcasing her love for fashion and global culture. Now residing in Miami, Tana maintains a balanced life, enjoying her time with her pet and sharing everyday moments with her followers. Her influence has attracted the attention of various fashion brands, with which she has collaborated to promote products that reflect her personal style. With a strong presence at fashion events and on social media, Tana continues to expand her personal brand and connect with her audience. If you want to learn more about Tana and follow her journey in the digital world, make sure to follow her on social media and stay tuned for her upcoming adventures. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe for more inspiring stories and keep exploring the world of influencers who are making a difference.